that rig. You see how the GMC does this morning, towing at least a small load, an S10. We're all hooked up and ready to go. See if we can go sell this truck. It's a nice little truck. Somebody will enjoy it. Alright, what do you think? We're going to an S10 meet.
I'm just so excited right now.
Oh, you'll be excited if we sell this truck.
Yeah, because it'll be one less that you have.
Yeah.
Which is good. I'm sure you're excited.
Have them right there. Alright, we made it here to the Cecil County Drag Strip. We have the S10. It's for sale. And Jessica's super excited.
I'm just beyond, I can't contain it. It's just too much to hold in right now.
Well,
This is weird. I will tell you that much. This is the weirdest event I've ever been to.
I don't know why it's weird. It's just a bunch of different stuff. But, I mean, really big. It's a two-car double.
So many races all over the country. I think we should buy one just like this.
Yeah. All right, we're here hanging out at Cecil County Drag Strip. You never know who you're gonna run into.
What up, guys? A little bit of what is it? It's S10 Addiction Rental.
It is.
Lots of cool stuff.
Yep.
Chilling, watching the racing.
We got our truck here for sale.
Trying to sell a truck.
Yeah, we're trying to talk Big Clive into it.
Hey,
but,
look how clean this thing is.
Since you already have the motor out in your truck, it'd be a perfect time to drop it in this.
What's in this?
4-cylinder. Okay. It's all stock.
So perfect small candidate.
Yes.
I don't know if I'd fit. I don't think I would.
No?
Honestly,
Yeah.
I've sat in one before.
Right. You might need to extend the cab, I guess.
Y'all sit in the back seat, right?
Yeah, right. As it seems to be the pattern around here, it's pouring the rain, so they just called the rest of the event because of the rain. Jessica's very happy we get to go home.
Yay!
But we still have we still have the S10, and we got some good leads on it, but no one's come up with any money yet. But definitely got some good leads, so we'll see what happens with that. Probably gonna head home here in a few minutes. Look at that, Steve. That could be you, a Denali and an S10 race truck. Maybe you should just give up that Corvette. You can't tow your S10 race truck with a Ford F-150, especially an EcoBoost.
Haters gonna hate.